Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you my Sunshine and Rainbows box. It's this lovely slim box. It does house a miniature. Perfect, I think, for these little gifts that you may want to give as a thank you, or just a little birthday gift. Oh, that's squashed. But yeah, I think it's super cute, and as it holds a miniature and it is just divine. I have used, as it is a sale-a-bration day, Saturday is sale-a-bration day, this is the gorgeous Sunshine and Rainbows Designer Series paper that you get with sale-a-bration. As you can see, just a plethora of designs, colours, so pretty. And this is the B-side, as I call it. So many colours, so many designs. I just think this is a fabulous, fabulous offer. What I like most about my project today is that I was going with spots and stripes. So if I can just find it. So spots and stripes. The B-side is the stripes, and this is what I'm using. So one sheet actually made 2 boxes. How cool is that? I'm just impressed by the little things. So yeah, so let's go ahead and make it. So I have all my pieces together here. Move that out of the way. So then, brilliant bright magenta madness for the base of mine. So the base of your box is 7 1/4 by 4 1/4 inches, 18.5 by 11 centimetres, and we're going to score all sides at 1 3/8 of an inch. Of course, these sizes, are for my miniature bottle. Your miniature bottle sizes may vary, so you may need to alter it slightly. Right, once I've scored all 3 sides, I'm going to keep hold of this, bring in my basic white and use this as my shim. And your basic white is 6.5 by 3.5 inches, 16.5 by 9, and we're going to score all of our sides at 1 inch or 2.5 centimetres. But it just utilises the base as your shim whilst you're doing your scoring, and you've got everything there. Why create yourself more work by getting an extra piece of card out? It's just no need, is there? So there we have our 2 pieces. So we'll create the base first, and you should know the rules by now. Fold, burnish, and then cut the tabs out of the corners to make our flaps. Okay, so making the base up. Sale-a-bration is wonderful. You have so many opportunities. So there is the buying option, of course, where you spend £45 or €60. Bear with me a split second while I grab my brochure, because I can never remember the conversion. Yeah, €60, £45, £90, €120. So I've already shown you Island Vibes. That came out last week on my Sunday. Gorgeous Daffodil Afternoon DSP, that is 12 by 12. 2 stamp sets, Driving By and Catching Butterflies. Again, 2 fabulous stamps. The paper, this is 6 by 6, as you've seen, but it also coordinates with the Rainbow of Happiness and Brilliant Rainbow dies, which I will be using in a moment. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We have Simply Marvellous. This is 6 by 6 as well, but this is just, divine, beautiful. We have the Awesome Otters, which again I used maybe a couple of weeks ago, might even be 3 now. This is the £90 spend, so €120, but you get a stamp and DSP, 12 by 12 DSP, beautiful. And then this also is a £90 spend, which is a special moment, so it's full of sentiment versus it's really pretty. And if you host a party or put an order in that is over £275 or €375, you can also then get Calming Camilla? It's because it's a double L, I wanted to add a bit more to it. So yeah, so again, so shopping, you get freebie. Shop or host a party and gather everybody's orders together over that amount, you can claim that one, or you can join, which is the most exciting. So £130 worth of products for £99, and you also get to choose 2 free stamp sets. How amazing is that? They're not sale-a-bration ones, they're not host sets, but anything else out of the annual or the mini spring summer. So yes, perfect time. I would be honoured if you joined my team. I'm always looking to expand Sallystampers and the Stampettes. If you're interested, send me a message. Check out my blog. It does have join my team, frequently asked questions. Go and have a look, because now, like I said, is the ideal time to get extra. And who doesn't like getting extra for free? I know I do. How many times do you go into a store and it says spend over this amount to get a free, I don't know, beauty product, handbag, shopping bag, tote bag, I don't know, but you know, £25 voucher, and you think, oh, do you know what, actually I'm quite close to that, I'm going to spend a bit more. This is just the same, and you get to keep an amazing stamp set that you can't actually buy. Just perfect. Pegs are on to hold that in place while we make up our lid. So back in with the already scored basic white. Let's give this a fold and the burnish. And again, don't think if you want to join Stampin' Up or join my team that you have to do videos, you have to do parties. You don't. It's entirely your choice. If you want to join just to get discounts for yourself off your products, which is what most of us do initially, then that's absolutely fine. And even if that's all you ever want to do, that's fine. There are a lot of perks to being a demonstrator. And, you know, we have such an amazing community, a friendly crafting community, and that is the bit that I love the most, on top of free stuff and getting stuff early and going to events. But, you know, just the friends I've made, that is to me worthless, priceless. It's just the best. So yeah, have a little think about it. I'm here, and Sale-a-bration's till the end of February, so you've got a couple of months to think about it. Although I will nag you quite regularly on my videos, I have to say. Okay, so we have cut our 4 corners now. We need to add some DSP. So top piece of DSP is 4 1/4 by 1 1/4, 11 by 3 1/2, and I am just going with my seal, whoops, for this, although famous last words of it being quicker, I'm not so sure now. So pop that on the top. Then you need 2 side pieces here that are 3/4 by 1 1/8, or think I need to double check my measurements, because I've got 3 by 3 1/2, and that, my friends, is not correct. Oh no, I've just mixed them up, or maybe I haven't. Oh no, sorry, 4 1/4 by 3/4, and that's 11 by 3, that's better. And then these pieces are 3/4 by 1 1/8, which is 3 by 3 1/2. Crikey, I thought, what on earth have I done wrong there? But I was just reading the wrong bit. There we go. So there's my really pretty DSP on. So the next bits I already have here. So these are some of the brilliant rainbow dies, and it's this piece here. So I have actually used, if I just move all my junk here, so I've actually just, oh sorry, it's me on my light, I do apologise. So here we have, so I basically cut that die out with 4 different pieces of card. So I now have 4 rainbows of all the same colour, but obviously I don't need all of those. So I just picked the colours that I wanted to use, and then I'll save those and use them on a card or something. I have my little cloud die there that I need to use on this gorgeous supple shimmer speciality paper. It comes in iridescent and pink. I want to say pink. Let me just find it. Why does it always go hiding? Here it is. Yes, pink and iridescent. 12 by 12, so yes, absolutely gorgeous. And then you make me happy. My little sentiment off my Rainbow of Happiness stamp. So I am going to stick my rainbow down. Now I didn't think about this. It looks fabulous on here, but I don't know how much it's going to show up on this this DSP, but we'll see. Right. Again, I'm using wet glue again just because the placement, I want to make sure I get this right. So the top of that rainbow needs to go like so. So that's Granny Apple Green. This is Magenta Madness. Then there is So Saffron and Flirty Flamingo. So I'm literally just sticking this down. It's a bit of a tacky job, this. You just seem to get adhesive everywhere. And then the last little one here. Okay, and then this one will go in the centre, just there. Okay, I'm going to bring in my little boss here to die cut my clouds. So I just need to run this through a couple of times. I need a little bit of oil in my handle. I might as well leave that one in place. Save messing. Run that through again. There are 2 different cloud dies, but I wanted mine to be the same. Okay, so let's have those. There's one, there's the other. Let me just pop my die back because I am always afraid that I'll lose them. Okay, and then I want some of my mini dimensionals here. Whoops, see what I mean? All sticky and tacky now. So, a couple of dimensionals on the back. So I'm just using these minis. Then this one I shall put over that end, whoops, of my rainbow. How have I got glue over there as well? And then this one will sit this end of my rainbow. How pretty do they look? And then just my sentiment. So I need You Make Me Happy, which is just there. This is my H block, which I love for sentiments because it gives you, especially the photopolymer ones, because you've got plenty of viewing space, if you like, to see where it goes. And I'm going to stamp this one in Magenta Madness. Oh, heck. Tips on your ink pads. If you have a stiff ink pad like that sticks, even sticks, a little bit of original lip balm. Just run it very gently across these edges here and it will loosen them up and make them work like a dream. Okay, so stamp on the bottom there. Get that out of the way. Grab my trimmer and just trim that down there. And then this is a little bit crazy, but I don't quite know how, but I eyeballed that. But of course you can always grab one of your spare pieces of rainbow to cut your curve, and then it should sit, dependent on which curve you're going with. I'm going to go with that one, and it will just sit within the curve, and I just think it makes it look nicer. Dimensionals, so I'm going to go one either end, and then I want to add a tiny bit of adhesive for it to hold on to my cloud. So let's whiz that out of the way, and then I'm just going to tuck it under that one slightly. There we go. Beautiful. Now all I need to do is take those pegs off, pop my bottle inside. I'm going to use this because it's quicker now. And pop that bit together, pop the lid on, and then all we need to do is tuck the sides in. Make sure it's all sat together. Don't you hold on to there just yet because I'm not ready. That's that side. Oops. Oh, crush, crush, crush. Doesn't fit properly. There we go. That's better. And there you have my Sunshine and Rainbows boxes. Hope you like them. Beautiful base colours, pretty paper and gorgeous rainbows. Thank you for joining me. See you all again soon.